Welcome to Debt Busters and welcome to another YouTube video. Do you want to create a faceless YouTube channel and make money from it? Then watch this video. Today's video shows you how to make money in the evergreen software review niche. We'll explain how you come up with video ideas, show you examples of channels in this niche, reveal how much some of these channels make, and finally explain how you can monetize these channels with affiliate marketing. You might notice the topics of the videos are coming from conversations I have with viewers in the comments section or from polls in the community posts. So be sure to comment on the video and participate in the polls to tell me what kind of content you'd like to see. Subscribe and turn on the post notification. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. So what's all about making money on YouTube without showing your face? If this is not your first time watching a video on our channel, I'm sure you already know how to make money on YouTube. But if you're new to this channel, let me explain how to make money on YouTube. YouTube can be used in two ways. The first is for entertainment, while the second is for profit. But how does one make money from YouTube? Making money on YouTube is accomplished by uploading content for others to view, and when they do, you are compensated. You are not paid for views, but you are compensated for advertisements that appear on your videos. When these people view your content, they will notice advertisements in the video, and the length of time they watch the ad determines how much money you will receive. I'm sure you've now figured out how people make money on YouTube. Some people may want to make money by creating content on YouTube, but they do not want to show their faces or are not confident in how they look or speak. If you are one of those people, our channel will teach you about the various types of content you can create on YouTube without showing your face or using your voice. To do so, you must first choose a niche in which to specialize. So in today's video, we'll show you how to make videos in the software review niche. Before we get too far into it, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, then have them subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Just imagine if you had $10,000 more in your bank account every month. Use my link in the description if you'd like to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your own face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. So what is the software review niche all about and what does it entail? I'm sure you can guess what software review entails just by hearing the name. You download or purchase software, then create a video informing your viewers about its features, pros and cons, and whether it's worth downloading or buying. Ads will be placed on your video after you upload it, and you will be able to earn money based on how long your video is, how many ads you put on it, and how many views you receive. The software review niche benefits from a very high CPM compared to other niches. The CPM for the software review niche ranges from $30 to $40, depending on where you live. It can be more than $40 in some countries, but on average it is $30. So the number of views doesn't matter all that much. What matters most on YouTube is the niche you choose and the length of your videos. You can see some YouTubers with millions of views, but the average CPM in their niche is around $3. Since the software review niche has a high CPM, it doesn't matter if your video doesn't get millions of views. For example, if one of your videos receives 500,000 views, you will find that you have earned $15,000, which is a substantial sum of money. Imagine making more than $10,000 just from ad revenue. Isn't that fantastic? Now that you understand how to make money on YouTube and what the software review niche entails, let me show you some example channels in this niche so you can see what type of videos they produce and how much money some channels in this niche make. The first channel I'd like to share is StreamDroid. This channel was launched in 2015 and has 184,000 subscribers as of 2022. What I like best about this channel is that they produce content on two topics: software reviews and gadget reviews. When done on the same channel, these two niches can do well. One of the most popular software review videos in this channel is 5 unknown apps you should know about. This video currently has over 500,000 views, which is fantastic. I forgot to mention earlier in the video that you don't have to review only one software in the same video. You can make a compilation video about various but related software, similar to what this channel has done. So how much does this channel make per month? According to Social Blade statistics, this channel received 199,411 views in the last 30 days, which is approximately 200,000. Using the number of views, Social Blade estimates that this channel earned between $50 and $798 in the last 30 days. However, we at Debt Busters are aware that this information is incorrect. If you want to see how we know this, hover your mouse over the question mark that shows the estimated earnings and you will see that they are calculating their earnings with a CPM ranging from 25 cents to $4. At the beginning of this video, we mentioned that the average CPM for the software review niche is between $30 and $40. So based on a CPM of $30, How much money did this channel make? This channel has nearly 200,000 views. So if we multiply $30 by 200, because they are paid $30 per 1,000 views, we can see that they made around $6,000 in the last 30 days just from ad revenue before YouTube takes its 45% cut, which is a substantial amount. The next channel I recommend to you in the software review niche is Tech Gumbo. This channel was founded on December 30th, 2016, and as of 2022, it has over 1,270,000 subscribers. The way they upload their content is something I like about this channel. This channel divides its videos into top 10 and top 5 lists. So if their title is about movie websites, they will review about 10 websites together so that you can choose which one you like. This has also contributed to the success and popularity of this channel. One of their most popular videos is titled Top 10 Best Free Websites to Watch Movies Online. This video was uploaded 2 years ago and currently it has over 7,500,000 views. This channel also makes single software review videos like How to Use OBS Studio. This video was uploaded 4 years ago and had nearly 6 million views. So how much money does this channel make per month? According to Social Blade stats, this channel received 1,800,000 views in the last 30 days, and they estimate that number of views helped this channel earn between $462 and $7,400. But we all know these figures are inaccurate because they are estimated using a CPM of 25 cents to $4. Using the correct average CPM of $30, this channel earns more than $54,000 per month in ad revenue alone before YouTube takes its share. Isn't that insane? Imagine making over $50,000 per month solely from ad revenue. Now that you have a good idea of how the software review niche channels look and how much money they make, let me explain how you can get title ideas and make videos similar to what you've seen these channels make. Many people believe it is challenging to create such videos. There is no need for costly equipment, and I will demonstrate how to do it for free. This method has the advantage of allowing you to get started for free. When your channel generates revenue, you can reinvest it and expand by establishing channels in different niches, which is how you can run a slew of other channels. So without further ado, please allow me to walk you through the process of making these simple videos. So how would I go about starting a software review channel? I would ensure I had at least 50 video title ideas before starting to upload the videos. The advantage of having over 50 different video title ideas is that you won't be able to stop uploading videos to your channel because you don't have enough video title ideas. Where are you going to get your title ideas? If I were in your situation, I would visit some of the popular YouTube channels in the software review niche and take notes on the titles of their most popular videos. When you write down 10 titles from 5 different YouTube channels, you'll have 50 more titles to create videos for and upload to your channel. Following the title selection, you must conduct research and write a script. If you have more time than money, I recommend writing your script. If you cannot write an excellent script and have more money than time, you can hire a freelancer from UpWork.com to write the entire script. Link in the description. The structure of a script must be established first. While some freelancers will write a full script for you, it will not be a blank canvas if you can provide the structure. Starting with a blank canvas can be difficult, especially if you do it yourself. You'll need to do a lot of research on the subject, including watching many videos and taking notes. Your script will look amazing. We're following the lead of successful channels because they're successful. Modeling success does not necessitate exact replication or using the same framework. If you have the structure written down, it will be easier to write the script. I recommend running the script through Copyscape after writing it to ensure that it is unique and free of copyright violations. The next step after writing the script is to record the voiceover. If you don't think you'll be able to finish the voiceover to your satisfaction, you can always outsource it to someone who can do it professionally through Upwork.com. On this platform, numerous people can do voiceovers for you. So if I were in your position, I would look for the most affordable one. If you prefer to save money, you can use a text-to-speech solution like Descript. Descript is by far one of the most human-like text-to-speech software available. Try Descript for free using my link in the description. Again, this presumes that you have more money than time. If you got more time than money, I recommend doing your voiceovers. This is precisely what most YouTubers do when they first launch their channel. If you want to record it yourself, you'll need a microphone. I recommend using your phone if you don't want to spend money on a good microphone. Most people watching this video, I'm sure, have a smartphone, and recording voiceovers is as easy as using your phone's built-in voice recording program. Now that you've completed your script and voiceover, it's time to gather videos, images, and content for your video. This is extremely important because it will give listeners a clear understanding of what you are attempting to explain in your video. If you are reviewing software and want to show people how it is used, you can choose to screen record your screen or even take screenshots to demonstrate what you are doing. Also, if you don't want to screen record or take screenshots, you can use stock footage in your video because I understand there will be parts where you won't have to show your screenshot or screen record. Visit Pexels.com or Pixabay.com for stock videos. If you have more money than time, you can compile your copyright-free clips in under 5 minutes using AI-assisted video editing software like Pictory. Again, you can try Pictory for free using my link in the description. After you've gathered your videos and images, all that remains now is to edit your script. voiceover, stock videos, screenshot, and screen record together. You're done if you use Pictory for free, as I mentioned earlier. If you want to edit them using your phone, I recommend downloading Power Director, which allows you to edit and upload your videos to YouTube. Assuming you were using a computer, which I recommend because it has many features the phone does not have, it will allow you to optimize your videos better. If you're working on it, I recommend OpenShot, which you can find at openshot.org, or Camtasia, which is even better because it allows you to record audio, making things more accessible. So now that I walked you through the process of making videos in the software review niche, let's move on to monetization, which is an essential part of making money on YouTube. You can begin running advertisements when your channel has 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. To include many ad breaks, I recommend making your videos at least 8 minutes long. I recommend including an ad every 2 minutes after you've monetized your video, one at the beginning and one at the end. You can make a lot of money from ad revenue, but let's talk about other monetization options that could help you make more than just from ad revenue. Since YouTube AdSense is only one of the money sources we've looked at, I mentioned that these channels could earn more money. They now have an additional source of income. Another way you can monetize the videos you promote is through affiliate marketing. Since it is so simple, this is one of the most popular monetization methods. As a result, you are essentially a middleman who connects a buyer to a program or a product in exchange for a commission. Assume you go to an affiliate marketplace such as Digistore24.com. There are thousands of different items to sell in this case. You can choose to promote the software you are reviewing since you are in the niche of software reviews. When you found the product you want to promote, include a link to it in the description and pin it in the comment section of each video you upload. All you have to do is notify your viewers of the links you shared in that video. It's critical to understand that if an affiliate product is related to the content your viewers were looking at, the likelihood of them purchasing it skyrockets. As a result, choosing a product related to the video you're making is essential for earning a second income. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this. What do you think about the software review niche? Are you willing to start a channel to cover this niche? Comment down below and let's engage. Some of you may be aware that my channel is associated with Matt Parr. He provides a variety of secret growth tactics for making money online in 2023 using YouTube cash cow channels. If you're interested, you can find his 100% free course under the description. It shows you how to make up to $30,000 each month online, just like he does. If you enjoyed this video, then check out this video on your screen that I selected just for you. Now you have an idea of how to make money in one of the most profitable niches on YouTube, but that won't help you if you're really interested in making money in the make money online niche like I do. Click the thumbnail on your screen if you really want to know how to make money on YouTube without showing your face in the make money online niche. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.